What if I told you the secret to hiding massive tanks and artillery comes from the same math that shapes a fern leaf or a snowflake? It's all about fractals, those endlessly repeating, self-similar patterns found everywhere in nature. Fractals were formally described by mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot in 1975. He noticed that coastlines, clouds, trees, and mountain ranges all share the same mathematical fingerprint. Patterns that look the same no matter how far you zoom in. A branch looks like the whole tree. A piece of a coastline looks like the entire coastline. Nature, it turns out, is built from repetition at every scale, and that repetition has a precise mathematical structure. Here is the problem that fractals solved for the military. When you try to hide a large object in the wild, a tank, an artillery piece, a command post, the human eye immediately detects it. Why? Because clean, straight lines and regular uniform shapes simply do not exist in nature. Irregularities are more natural. Fractals are more natural. So military engineers designed camouflage using fractal geometry like in nature. They layered patterns at multiple scales, large blobs, medium splotches, tiny speckles, all tangled and irregular, just like a forest floor. When draped over equipment, these nets break up outlines and scatter shadows, making objects nearly vanish into their surroundings. The closer you look, the more natural it appears, because the math is nature. Next time you see camouflage, remember, it is not just art. It is fractal science, hiding armies in plain sight for decades.